Cannot Read Man. So, Cannot Read Man. Okay, it's a story of a couple who have been married for a long time, but there have been a lot of dispute. There have been a lot of domestic problems in the family. So they embark on a long journey in a foreign country and trying to find the solutions, like to find what other people think about men and women. Okay. Because there's one thing that I know from my friends from Colorado, they came up in here. He said that a happy wife is a happy life. So if you're happy, because when you wake up in the morning, and you're asking your wife to make a sandwich or breakfast, but then if you do not make her happy, then she will keep nagging, saying that you're bad, you're a bad man. Yeah. Happy wife is a happy man. And then the last one is think little and do big.
Do a lot.
You know?
Do a lot.
Do a lot. Change a lot. There are 2 points that Mr. Risky said. The first one is, if you want to be happy, spend your money on someone else. So, for example, if you buy a chicken but if you eat yourself, then there's nothing left. But if you buy a chicken and then you share with your friends, then you have someone to talk to. Whether the chicken is nice or not, whether the chicken is bad or not, whether you want to have more chicken, so you can buy more chicken, and you can still share. And you can start calling your friends and you can share together. And then the second one, be irresistible. Be interesting to someone else. Don't talk about yourself only, but also you have to listen to someone else's story. And then that's it. One more. The last lesson from a lecture. It's a story of a daughter who was dying of cancer. So he gave a lecture to the person when he's dying. So and that's it. Anything else you want to add? Musafir. Oh yeah, the last one is Musafir.
Esperanto.
So, he was telling us about the language which probably you guys have ever known before as Esperanto. Over and over again, which is interesting. Okay, thank you for your Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, well, here. I read this, Hunger Games. You might probably have already watched the movie, but it's the name Hunger Games. But I really recommend you to read the book because it's more interesting. There are 3 series of the books, and if you read the book, you can read what she's thinking. Because while you watch movie, you can only watch her expression. But when you watch movie, you can go deeper into the way she thinks about her problems. So the book is really interesting and it's by far the best book I can recommend for life. And that's it. Thank you. Okay. What's the topic for the next minute? Anyone has any suggestion for what kind of topic that we want to do? It's very interesting topic. Maybe Alex, you want to be a topic master next week?
I'm not sure I am here. But if I'm not here, maybe let me take my place. How is that?